Well, here we go. Here's the progress on the new house. This is going to be the laundry room. And as we move on down the hall, this is a hall closet. Across the way is our guest bedroom. Plenty of room for all you people. This is the stairway to the lower level. We'll go down there later. This is the guest bathroom. And over here across the hall, this is the world's smallest Dolby Atmos theater. And this is also a spare bedroom. However, it's going to be used by Carol and I as our office. Then we have the powder room. This is the entry, the main entry. And as we come from the main entry, we walk into the kitchen. This will be the kitchen area. Over in this corner will be the dining room. And this is a walk-in pantry. Love it. This eventually will be the great room. This is a small bar area. Eventually this will all be walked in, and this will go out onto a deck. They're working on the lower level deck as we speak. Let's take a stroll into the master bedroom. And right as you go through the door, first thing you come to is Carol's closet. 100 square foot closet. Over here is the master bedroom. That opening over there across the lumber, as we peek over there, is going to be a window seat. This goes into the master bath. And in here, there's a 25 square foot shower. And over in this corner with the big windows is going to be the future home of Carol's corner tub. Let's go downstairs and take a look. Be sure to hold the handrail. Once downstairs, off to the left, you're going to have, this will be a library and another TV viewing area over here on this wall. That's my garage door laying on the floor there. Over here will be a seating area with a doorway out to the lower level deck. The fireplace is going to be on this corner. It's going to be a 3-sided fireplace. Going to have this corner will have a gaming table in it and a bathroom, a full bath with a shower, and over on this wall will be the bar. Gotta have a bar. And this is the deck. Can't wait till all of this gets walled in up here and they get the roof trusses on. Thanks for watching.